Hi friends, welcome back, and today we are going to build an app using the help of Andromo.com. Search Andromo.com and click on create an app for free. Then click on I agree and confirm. There are different themes for your app, like what you are creating this app for. For if you are creating for sounds and ringtones, wallpapers, education, recipe, music, fashion, news. Then click on anyone and then build this app. If you don't want these instructions, you can skip them. The most important thing of your app is the theme. You can ignore the activities tab. Click on theme and then click on startup mode, no dashboard or show dashboard. If you don't want to show the dashboard, click on show no dashboard. You can add the title of your dashboard and subtitle. You can change the header image by clicking on choose another image and then click on drag or drop files. Then click on save. A live preview will appear at the right of your screen. After you are done with the navigation, click on settings and then you can change the dashboard name. The social sharing button is for the sharing of your app. If you don't want to include the social sharing button, you can remove it by clicking on undo the tick. After that, we'll move to the layout. There are different options, like if you want your app as a card, then it will be presented like this. And if you want grid, it will be like this. And list with icons. You can also change the icons by clicking on select by appearance. Next, we'll go to the style. You can change the style by clicking on global or custom. Custom is default. We can change the color of the app by clicking on primary color and choose our color. Accent color is for changing the color of the icons. You can change the background of the man by by clicking on choose another image and then upload your image. toolbar is not necessary, so you can skip it. Global style and settings are two not uh, important, but you can change your app icon by clicking on settings. And monetization is when required, when your app is already built and published in the Play Store, and then you can track who all downloaded your app, who all uninstalled your app, and who all are using your app currently. Now the last and final, build. When you click on that, before you need to save your app and publish it, you need to create your account and then log in through it. Your changes won't be discarded. When you log in, then your changes will be automatically saved as a draft. Then you can permanently save it, and then when you will build your app, it will automatically